Think investing is your ticket to easy wealth? Think again. The truth is, the market doesn't care about your dreams. In fact, if you're not careful, it will eat your money alive before you trust Wall Street with your hard-earned dollars. Hear this. Market swings can wipe out $400,000 faster than you can say retirement. These are the 4 harsh investing truths every American or investor needs to know before the next bell rings. 1. You will lose money sometimes. No matter how smart or careful you are, losses are inevitable. Markets fluctuate due to factors beyond your control. Interest rates, global events, company scandals, or just plain bad luck. Even the best investors like Warren Buffett have taken hits. The key is how you manage risk and recover, not avoiding losses altogether. 2. Time beats timing. Trying to perfectly buy low and sell high is nearly impossible. Even professionals can't consistently time the market. Long-term investing, staying the game over decades, tends to outperform short-term speculation. The earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. 3. Emotions are your biggest enemy. Fear and greed can ruin your strategy. Many people panic sell during market dips and FOMO buy during highs, locking in losses and missing gains. Successful investing requires emotional discipline. Staying the course when it's hardest to do so. For there's no such thing as guaranteed returns. If someone promises you risk-free high returns, it's likely a scam. All real investments come with some level of risk. The higher the return, the higher the risk. Smart investors always ask questions, do research, and understand what they're getting into. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.